got what you need. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinaficent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing What You Know About Love. It's by Pop Smoke. Okay, so for this song we're gonna use just 3 basic chords, right? C, D, E minor, and A minor. So that's 4 basic chords. Just make sure your guitar's in center tuning and put your capo on fret number 3, okay? So the way we're gonna be playing these chords is the first chord is a C, and then we come to, this is an E minor, and then A minor, right? So it's C, E minor, A minor, and I'm plucking strings 5, 4, 3, 2. So C, E minor, A minor, and then C, D, E minor. So for D, you can just slide C to frets 3, 5, okay? As long as you're strumming the same strings, it'll sound the same, okay? So C, C, E minor, A minor, and then C, D, E minor, okay? What you know about love, I got what you need, okay? And then if you want to do that riff that I was doing in the intro, it's right, so that's you hold your C, and then instead of playing C with the first fret of string number 2, you release that to play open. So we're playing open on the second string, open to fret number 3, open 3, right? So that's C, and then you shift to your E minor. Now for E minor, we're gonna hold our usual E minor, and then we drop this middle finger to the 3rd string. So now you have that when you strum strings 5, 4, and 3. Right, so C, then you come to E minor. So now you're playing the 2nd fret of string number 3 to the open string number 2. So, and then, so C, and then you go to A minor. And for A minor, you're not gonna hold the 3rd fret of string number, the 2nd fret of string number 3. So that's open to get, so C, okay? And we're plucking strings 5, 4, 3. And then we go to, this is just C, strings 5 to 2. And the bass for E minor is string number 6. So that's it. That's how you play the whole song. It's the same for the verses and the choruses. Now if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. It has a detailed illustration of the chords, so you can learn them there and then come back to this video for your progressions. Otherwise, that's been it for this tutorial, guys. Do share the video if it helped you, and leave a like, and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this.